Creating an account on NDAX, a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange, involves the following steps. Visit NDAX website. Navigate to the NDAX website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Click on Sign Up. Locate the Sign Up or Register button on the homepage and click on it to initiate the registration process. Provide personal information. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your full name, email address, phone number, and country of residence. Verify email. After completing the registration form, NDAX will send a verification link to the email address you provided. Click on the link to verify your email and activate your account. Complete identity verification. To comply with regulatory requirements, NDAX may require you to complete identity verification by providing additional information and documentation, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Set up security measures. Choose a strong password for your account and consider enabling additional security measures such as two-factor authentication to enhance account security. Agree to terms and conditions. Review NDAX terms of service and privacy policy, then agree to them to complete the registration process.